students. I am Teacher Glean, your English teacher. How are you today? That's great. Today we will continue our lesson in English subject. Do you still remember our last lesson? Please write the words on your English notebook so that you can read them and review them. Okay, our lesson last week is about classroom commands part 1. Let's review our lesson last week. Are you ready? Sit down. Sit down properly. Sit down properly. Come here. Come here. Stop. Stop. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Stamp your feet. Stamp your feet. Read. Read. Write. Write. Look. Look. Open the door, please. Open the door, please. Close the door, please. Close the door, please. Open the window, please. Open the window, please. Okay, today we will learn new classroom commands. Okay? Okay. Stretch out your arms. Stretch out your arms. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Raise your left hand. Raise your left hand. Raise your right hand. Raise your right hand. Hands up. Hands up. Hands down. Hands down. Listen. Listen. Be quiet. Be quiet. Okay, this is all for today. Thank you for listening and watching this video. Until next time, see you on the next video.